Assalamu alaikum, Amber. How are you?
Alaikum. Very pleased to be here with you.
Thank
Doing
you
well.
so much. Thank you so much for taking time out for our blog. First, just give us a brief introduction of yourself.
I'll explore my career started with advertising. I was in advertising. I was in an advertising agency. I'm from Karachi. So
Okay.
मैं advertising agency में creative manager थी. फिर हम दुबई shift हो गए. I was there 10, 15
Mhm.
years. So I did, in fact, I did my MBA there as well. Then I did 2 years for hypnotherapy. Then I did
Mhm.
CBT, NLP, all of these mental mind sciences.
Mhm.
So then when we want to come back to Islamabad, so it's my mother-in-law school. It's been since 1982,
Okay.
Islamabad International
Islamabad
Grammar
Grammar
School.
School. Mhm.
Called Islamabad Grammar School. Now it's called International Grammar School and
Mhm.
College. My husband studied there. Now my children are also studying. Sare
Mashallah,
idhar hi.
mashallah, mashallah.
Yes.
So it,
And then
it
it
was
was
established in 1980s, right?
1982. Yes, it was in F6 at that time, and then now it's in a campus in F11.
Okay, okay. So I've gone to the profile of the school. तो माशाल्लाह पेरेंट्स के बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज हैं आपके स्कूल के बारे में और द रीज़न वी चोज योर स्कूल फॉर दिस डिस्कशन इज कि आप उसका फीडबैक बहुत अच्छा था जो आप लोग का कोविड के दौरान आपने ऑनलाइन सेशंस भी लिए हैं तो आई हर्ड कि यू हैव डन प्रीटी वेल इन दैट एज वेल तो बिफोर गोइंग इनटू दैट थोड़ा सा मैं ये भी डिस्कशन इस पे चाहती हूँ कि आप करें कि बिफोर द कोविड ओवरऑल आपके स्कूल का थोड़ा सा प्रोफाइल स्कूल को भी थोड़ा सा ना मतलब उसका प्रोफाइल भी मैं डिस्कस करना चाहूंगी कि इंटरनेशनल आप जो कह रही हैं कि इट वाज इस्लामाबाद ग्रामर एंड देन इट वाज इंटरनेशनल तो आपका करिकुलम बेसिकली थोड़ा सा उसका इंट्रोडक्शन दे दें कि व्हाट करिकुलम यू आर फॉलोइंग इन द स्कूल
So we are following Cambridge. We're following the Cambridge IGCSE, not GCO level, IGCSE. And so, with that comes across with, they also, Cambridge does provide teachers training, ke webinars, vagera. So, the curriculum is like, yeah, IGCSE. It goes up to, first it was A levels, but now it goes up to O levels. It starts from pre-nursery. So we have a play group as well, pre-nursery se leke till IGCSE.
Till IGCSE, okay. So Amber, back to COVID. This whole year, pandemic का जो year हम लोग basically उसे कह रहे हैं, उसमें how was your experience at school? किस तरह आप लोगों ने इसको manage किया? इस पूरी episode को आप लोग किस तरह देखते हैं? As a vice principal, how difficult do you think it was? How challenging it was? और कैसे आपके स्कूल ने इस सारे पेंडेमिक को मैनेज किया विद ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एंड फ्यू ऑफलाइन क्लासेस किस तरह आप लोगों ने मैनेज किया इसको उसका थोड़ा सा बताएं
I think it was March 16th or March 17th when they said schools are ending. I remember it so clearly. And for me personally, because I have been studying, even in Dubai, I had classes that were from in America or sometimes in the UK. So I was very used to Zoom.
ओके
क्योंकि Zoom की आदत थी तो I knew we were very quick to move because then I had a lot and our teachers were so cooperative उन्होंने I and we had a lot of training sessions on all this of Zoom
ओह
Zoom, there's so many things that you can do. You can do settings, but kids are not allowed to change their names.
बिल्कुल
But because kids have also they can be very naughty on Zoom. They will have different. So then, and that is something that we learned with experience. So what are the settings? Children can't just come, naam change kar diya, video off. So those were the challenges. And then of course there are some challenges because हमारे school में chand teachers we have such like they are mashallah say have been with us for more than 10, 15, some even 18 years. So this and technology for us I feel in Pakistan was not something that is so used. बच्चे
बिल्कुल
use करते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल टीचर्स एंड स्कूल्स आर नॉट यूज्ड टू इट
Yeah, but I must say that even the older teachers जिन्होंने कभी laptop खोला भी नहीं है, and now they're working smart board rooms. It is such an amazing thing to see कि, challenge जब होता है ना, that's when people grow
बिल्कुल
or they don't. When you're thrown into a situation, either you can say, I'm not doing it, this is now I'm leaving it. But I found even like our teacher who's been with us from long, they even have the little iPad with the Zoom and the link, and they're going on with the lingo, okay, online. It's really, really nice to see when people accept challenges and then they don't say, okay, bhai, this is not my age to do it.
It's
in
so
our
good to hear that, because normally what we hear is whining of a lot of teachers and schools because they weren't able to manage in the first phase. Second phase, mein to phir bhi a lot of schools learn how to do it. But like you're describing it, it seemed like you guys were actually thrilled with this new. What can I say? This.
I was very patient. We had many training sessions, and they gave me time and they gave me an open heart and an open mind. क्योंकि टीचिंग वाले का नहीं सीखने वाले का भी होता है ना. They came with an open heart कि हम सीखेंगे, you know. Of course, and the people who had challenges, then you are just always with them without putting them down, you know. Okay, yeah, you can do it. So naturally, abhi bhi expert nahi hai, but they all have their own iPads. Some of them bought their laptops, and some of them are now, you know, they come and say, you know, I can now do this, I can do that. Even my children are so impressed with how much I've learned. So this is very nice for me personally, yes.
अच्छा, from students perspective या parents के perspective से what kind of challenges you faced? मतलब parents की तरफ से कोई वो था जिसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जैसे एक family के अंदर, उनकी तरफ से आपके students में कुछ आपको लगा ज़्यादा problems आई हैं? You know, connectivity is one of the major issues जो हाँ, it doesn't depend on the class. लोगों को घर में manage करना बड़ा मुश्किल लगा with the limited you know, tablets and computers available for their kids.
This was the main thing, yes, resources. Because if some parents have 3 kids, they're like, "Hum kaise karenge? You know, how are we going to?" But you know, they did manage. Of course, I'm not going to say anything negative about parents, but you know, like sometimes it's like whatever you do sometimes seems to not be enough, you know. But because as much as we could, we made it easy. तो अब हमने ये किया था कि जो हमारे छोटे वाले ना, so the way we did, you know, because they need smaller time, they can't do a 40-minute class. तो हमारी जो KG और grade 1 की थी, so we just हमने grade 1 भी हमारा हमने छोटा कर दिया था, period became half hour.
Okay.
So that children after half an hour, you know, you multiply the age by 2
to see them. It's a lot for them actually, for younger
so
kids.
We did half an hour. Yeah, we did 2 classes, then a break, then 2 classes, and in the middle we would put art. We even had art. You know, the teachers would make them
during
do
the
art.
Online classes. Okay.
Yes, during the online classes, because and then with parents, I think once they understood that it's not this, it's the whole world. You know, if you think about it, what we are living nobody else has ever lived through this. Everyone, chahe wo America mein ho, chahe wo Africa, everyone went through this. So that was in the beginning, yes, and then in the beginning it was also then the issue with why should we pay fees ki online mein kaam nahi hota.
Oh, that was a huge issue. That is still an issue. Abhi bhi the recent second phase was
yeah, but online I promise you, teachers, and if any parent is also watching this, teachers really do double the work. It's not
that's what I was going towards. Do you think teaching, you have said it already, but ye for teachers, I think jitna hame feedback abhi tak milta hai, teachers ke liye double kaam tha. You know, to learn the new technology, to design the you know, digitalized curriculum. पूरा तो मतलब सब कुछ डिजिटलाइज हो गया ना, होमवर्क्स एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो उसमें आप लोग की अप्रोच इसमें किस तरह थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट थी? जैसे एक मेन इशू ये था कि पेरेंट्स, आपको पता है बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने विड्रॉ करा लिए थे अपने बच्चे स्कूल से ड्यू टू द ऑनलाइन सेशंस के हम इसके लिए क्यों पे करें, वही वाला इशू था. बट मतलब लोगों के जहन में अभी तक ये है कि 2 ही ऑप्शन हैं स्कूल के पास, या तो दे कैन हैव ऑफलाइन क्लासेस इन द क्लासरूम्स, यू नो, फिजिकल क्लासेस, और दे कैन हैव ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. तो एक कॉन्सेप्ट अब बहुत ज्यादा इमर्ज हो रहा है ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग का, जिसमें मतलब आप प्रोजेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स को मतलब जैसा कनेक्टिविटी का जैसे इशू है, तो आप लोगों ने कुछ इस तरह अपने टीचिंग मेथड कुछ चेंज किया था कि प्रोजेक्ट्स लोग ऐसे दें जो दे कैन डू इट एट होम स्टूडेंट्स?
हमने ये किया था. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक, आई डोंट नो how many other schools have done it. In the second phase, हमने जब, you know, when you were allowed to come online, so हमने elementary के लिए groups बनाए हैं, group A, group B. So at no point do we want more than maximum 14 kids in the class, you know, because classrooms अभी 14 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो. तो वो group A, when group A comes, group B stays at home alongside those kids who don't come at all, वो online है. Then we had a whole system put by PTC. That is a new system with some fiber optics that we are giving live streaming. So
अच्छा
from
अच्छा
all, even from KG, so the children who are even staying at home, they see the lesson at home
they
online
have to
and
attend
can
the
break
classes
it
five
down.
times a week, whether physical
जी.
or online.
And the homework के लिए हमने किया Edmodo. So Edmodo is this website in
Mhm.
which children upload their homework. Teacher puts her whatever the homework, and then she puts
Mhm.
classroom. Today we did all of this. So वो Edmodo में upload, and then it's amazing. Even class 2 के बच्चे will say, "Teacher, I uploaded my homework." So they take pictures. So they take the picture and then they upload it. The work that they're doing, they take the picture and then they upload it on Edmodo, and the teacher checks it on Edmodo, and then they get the comment on Edmodo. So so they have learned, and they are like quite. If you listen to them talking about upload and the speed and this and that, so yes, yeah. So we use Edmodo is a it's a
अच्छा
website for teachers.
teachers, yes, yes, I've seen it. My daughter
Yeah.
used it at her
Yeah.
school. But उसमें शुरू में ये था कि she was used to technology, so I didn't have any problem. But a lot of parents faced the problem. So I think it was work on their part, मतलब more work on their part as well. तो इसमें अंबर आपको फर्स्ट फेज और सेकंड फेज में आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगा, क्योंकि बीच में फिजिकल क्लासेस दोबारा स्टार्ट हो गई थी, फिर दे शिफ्टेड टू ऑनलाइन. तो आपके स्कूल में मतलब डिफरेंस मैं इस फॉर्म में कहना चाहूंगी कि अब जिस मैं ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग की बात कर रही थी कि फर्स्ट फेज में मतलब यू आर सेइंग कि यू डिड प्रीटी वेल इन द फर्स्ट फेज एज वेल बिकॉज ऑफ द कमिटमेंट ऑफ टीचर्स.
Yeah.
तो सेकंड फेज के
Yeah.
लिए आप लोगों ने कोई और एक्स्ट्रा तैयारी की थी, या आप लोगों ने अपने असाइनमेंट्स उन सब के लिए एडमोडो जिसमें आप कह रहे हैं यूज करते हैं, लेकिन कोई चेंजेस आपने सेकंड फेज में किए थे?
Second phase में हमने I will send you those documents on how we've made the things easy. तो अब ये होता है, I really because second phase the mothers had to go to work, तो उनको difficult because first phase में everybody was at home because mother would say कि मैं कैसे. So as much as possible, because we have WhatsApp groups. So our class teacher has a WhatsApp group with the parents. So the one night before, वो पूरे एक subject की links भेजती हैं in one document. So the parent does, even all the child has to do is click on the link. The teacher sends the link. As soon as the work is finished, she takes a picture and then sends it on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp में जो चीज given, आज हमने science में ये किया, आज हमने literature में ये किया, आज हमने this. And then she
daily
goes
documents as well, daily lessons as well.
yes, daily on WhatsApp, and then we send a weekly outline to the parents. We were doing that before COVID as well. So in that weekly outline, the parent knows lesson 1. Monday को ये करेंगे, Tuesday को करेंगे. What is the learning objective? What are the links that the teacher has used if you want to go and see it? So a lot of work. This
That's
is
a
what
lot
I
of
want.
work on
All
part of
parents
school.
want. A lot teachers have to do a lot of work. They make the work plan, which is a weekly work plan. Then they send the weekly outline. Then they do the homework. Then they do the checking. So
it is so important for parents to learn this, and to listen to this. Because अभी second phase में ही मैं देख रही थी, अभी तो खत्म हो गया है, दोबारा we are back into the physical classes. लेकिन second phase में भी teachers have learned a lot. That's what I've observed. तो उसमें बच्चों के लिए भी थोड़ा कन्वीनियंट था और टीचर्स के लिए भी थोड़ा दे आर यूज्ड टू इट नाउ. बट इन जनरल अभी आपको पेरेंट्स से मतलब किस तरह का रिस्पांस सेकंड फेज में कैसा मिला? कुछ बेहतर आपको लगा कि पाकिस्तान में थोड़ी सी इस चीज की एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी आ गई है? जैसे यू वर सेइंग कि यू वर इन दुबई, तो वहां पे यू वर यूज्ड टू जूम क्लासेस, वहां पे तो पहले से ही क्लासेस में आई थिंक इस तरह की ब्लेंडर अप्रोच यूज होती ही है. तो यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा नया था लोगों के लिए. लोग पीपल हैड टू लर्न अ लॉट एंड गेट अडेप्टेड टू दिस न्यू लाइफस्टाइल. तो सेकंड फेज में आपको कुछ लगा कि पाकिस्तान में अब पेरेंट्स में अवेयरनेस भी ज्यादा आ गई है और दे हैव इम्प्रूव्ड, दे हैव एक्सेप्टेड technology as part of education now?
Yeah, they have, but for us we are feeling हमने stagger किया है, आधा किया है. So it is for the good of the child, so that especially the little ones, you will be very surprised that we have complaints from parents कि हम रोज क्यों नहीं भेज रहे बच्चों को बाकी स्कूल, and then live streaming. Like, this is for, as a school, हमारा तो फायदा ही होगा कि रोज आए, so
बिल्कुल
that nobody, but this is for the safety of the children. So I think everybody is now so sick and tired, or ऐसा लगता है कि oh, there is not, and this is would also be one request, because then they also tell the kids it's nothing. So it's
हाँ
not that it's nothing there, it is there. We have to accept it. And the schools, every school, I think, resources तो limited है ना. You can't all of a sudden build 5 new classes to call everybody every day.
बिल्कुल
So this and they, yeah.
तो नहीं, जैसे ये अभी दोबारा से फिजिकल क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई हैं, तो एसओपीज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपके स्कूल ने क्या क्या स्टेप्स लिए टू वेलकम किड्स इन अ सेफ एनवायरनमेंट? किस किस तरह से क्लासेस की आपने किस तरह डिजाइन किया कि दोबारा से, एक तो ये कि आपने बताया कि ये यू मेड ग्रुप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स वन थिंग, बट टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस, like you said, a lot of parents are not considering it as an issue anymore, so that itself is a major issue. So
and then we have to say, sorry, nahi aa sakte, you cannot. Then the only thing is like, okay, this teacher's with good conscience, we can't have more than these kids, so all I can do is shift your student to some other class, the other next, we have 2 sections for it. But this communicating this to the parents, it's not like we are being mean, it's not like hamesha us and them. So I keep telling, I have these Zoom sessions with parents as well, which I when I
during the pandemic.
Yeah, because live streaming, like it's a cool thing. So but they were like, nahi, bheje nahi, live streaming is difficult, but now they have accepted. So they are like, acha theek hai. My child is doing online, but they still want to send the child every day. The ones who want to send ke roz, want to send it every day. But
nahi, to as a as a vice principal, what fears do you have, or what risks do you think are still very considerable for your students? मतलब अब तो खुल गया ऑब्वियसली, बट आप एज अ स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आप लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि मतलब क्या क्या रिस्क इन्वॉल्व है अभी भी, जस्ट फॉर नॉलेज ऑफ पेरेंट्स, किस किस चीज का उन्हें अभी भी बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
Yes, so trust myself and the principal and all and my coordinators, as we are roaming around. It's like it's not you. I'm not sitting somewhere, going to each class. I go, because also because I'm a counselor, so I the SEL social emotional classes, so they know me. So I go to them and then I talk to them, and just to explain that, okay, even to the older ones, you have to wear your mask. Even it's not only for you, maybe the person sitting next to you has a grandmother at home. So we have to think, okay, we should not be the source. This is the one thing that everyone thinks, okay, it doesn't stop at yourself. Maybe you don't get it or nothing, but maybe the person next to you has someone who because of you could get sick. So it's like a constant thing, you're doing this,
especially with kids. Normally the cases are what we have seen is kids are mostly asymptomatic, so even that's one of the reasons the parents are so casual about it. A lot of parents, a lot of them are taking care, but a lot of them are casual. तो एक बहुत important चीज है, because you're a therapist as well, and it was so refreshing to see मतलब a school that has a psychologist on their team, because we have discussed it several times on our website. हमारी जो जनरली वेबसाइट है उसके ऊपर हमने चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर काफी कवर किया हुआ है. तो one of the factors that bothered me कि पाकिस्तान में कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है स्कूल साइकोलॉजिस्ट का. मतलब अभी जिस तरह पेंडेमिक से पहले भी जैसे प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स में बच्चे आते हैं, तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज दैट दे हैव टू डील एज अ टीन, एंड इवन बिफोर टीन बुलीज होते हैं बच्चे, मतलब देयर आर सो मेनी इश्यूज. तो उसमें स्कूल्स पाकिस्तान में जनरली कंसिडर नहीं करते टू हैव अ विजिटिंग फैकल्टी, विजिटिंग साइकियाट्रिस्ट. तो आपके स्कूल में यू आर अ थेरेपिस्ट योरसेल्फ, तो इसमें इस पूरे पेंडेमिक के एपिसोड में तो व्हाट वी हैव हर्ड इज कि चिल्ड्रन हैव बीन थ्रू सो मच and parents don't realize it, or a lot of schools don't realize it, कि learning loss is one thing. उसके अलावा emotionally कितना आपको मतलब किस तरह आपने किस तरह के केसेस अभी देखे हैं. अब मैं अपनी बेटी की एग्जांपल आपको वैसे ही देती हूँ कि when this thing started, the lockdown, और schools बंद हुए तो उसके बाद she was so shy to even interact with her class fellows, and her school didn't have the option of keeping the screen video on, तो they became even more cut off. तो उसके बाद मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा उसको समझाने में कि मतलब दे आर स्टिल योर फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन इंटरेक्ट, बाद में जब मिले तो, बट शी वाज स्टिल शाय, तो दैट्स वन एस्पेक्ट सोशल स्किल्स वाला. आपको इस तरह के क्या क्या इश्यूज स्कूल में मतलब फेस करने पड़े, या वैसे ही आपके ख्याल में क्या इस पेंडेमिक में बच्चे किस किस्म के क्राइसिस से या साइकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज दे हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट?
You would be so surprised that just the chote na, like we're talking about the masks also, they realize, and it's the older ones. So we had like 2-3 things which I made them do, which was I think I made them grade 6 do this. So just to what happens in this is like the children don't understand that things for them it seems like it'll never end. उनके दिमाग में होता है कि this is never, even as a small child. So you have to keep telling them, this has an end. So and then you distract. So we had a very nice, I think we have it on our Facebook page as well. So we had like this exercise to make a vision board.
Achha.
You should also do it. It's a lot of fun. So a vision board is like a visual affirmation. So you think you take magazines, whatever you want to do. For example, you want to be a doctor or you want to have a lot of money or whatever you want. So you make a thing and you choose pictures and then you make the whole a vision board. So you will see it on our Facebook page. We have, so all of them, they did and for when we came back, when we had the counseling classes, and those I just talked to them, so what is it? What did you miss? What is your fear? And so then I said, to make another exercise, which is interesting, you can do it with your little one as well, is to make a time capsule. Okay? So I said, ये जो year है, अभी तो last year जो था, have never been, the universe hasn't been. So I said, you write the name of your favorite movie, you take some newspaper clippings, take your favorite ice cream, everything about you in a box. And then you write year 2020 and then you save it and then you keep it. So that was an exercise. So we did like these small exercises with the kids to just, there is hope. This is going
that
to,
year has gone by.
Yes. And then I made them write a letter to themselves, to their Sam's 15 years from now. So their 20-year-old or their 21-year-old self. So I said, then you write a letter and then you put that letter in the box as well. So we try to do these fun exercises for them.
But did you find any difference in their, psychological approach, or what can you say? I want to ask about the mental health. Did you see did you come across any issues in children after they joined school back?
So some of them had more anxiety, naturally.
Social anxiety.
And then if you already have like that tendency to be anxious, and if something happens, and this is where it's also got from the parents. Like if they really absorb more than what you say, they absorb what you do. So, the calmer you are about something, the calmer they are. But if the parent is not calm, so the kids
2020 was not a calm year.
It was not a calm year.
Everybody was panicking. Yeah. It's on the news all the time. So kids get that too.
Yeah.
So,
the kids, I think somehow I found, it's really saying that they are more resilient. Emotional resilience होती है ना, बच्चों में ज़्यादा होती है. Somehow they are more, and then they take things in their stride. It's like I'm going to get, but except for the ones who already have a tendency to be anxious, the shy ones, yes, they go into their shell even more. So you keep talking, and then now, like I think I'd mentioned that last year, right before COVID had struck in February, we had like this kindness challenge. It's like a website, Kids for Peace, so we had like the whole month, in fact, they were doing, they had like a checklist of things, say hi to 25 people, say smile and say thank you to the person who helps you cross the road. Like, how the guard in the school opens, or say hi to say thanks to the
great
maid.
way to develop social skills.
Yeah. So, and then I also this I have become an ambassador for this Great Kindness Challenge. So my next thing is to go to other schools to also have like this kindness initiative. So
That's
I
a very
think,
good initiative.
yeah, these things, bullying and kindness, I think it's a constant reiteration to the kids. This is, you can be kind. I know you are angry. It's okay. There is an anger there, So after that, I had like some anger management classes also we had like these modules with like the grade 6 kids. Now they're 7. So, but, on just how to handle your anger. But it is easy on campus than online. Online, you
On
now a bit started to get bored. They're like video off or video off karke they are playing games while the class is going on. I think a lot by now they cannot. I think
I've
they're just
seen
over
that.
it. Yes.
तो
अभी नहीं
बेसिकली मैं इसमें बहुत सारे स्कूल्स हैं आई थिंक सेकंड फेज में ये भी किया है कि क्लासेस ऑनलाइन जब होती है तो वीडियोस मतलब दे आर मतलब माय डॉटर एटलीस्ट हैज द रिक्वायरमेंट टू कीप द वीडियो
yes
ऑन एटलीस्ट
so
माइक्स ऑन
yes
so the
for
teacher
us
knows that they're there. अच्छा you do
yeah
that too.
yes we have to have so I keep telling them they have to have the video on, especially for the boys, because in the laptop, in your iPad, if someone is if they're doing something else, video band ho jata hai na.
हाँ
So we are like, put the video, because generally they all have iPads. Laptop to kam bacche bade wale karte hain. We're like, keep the video on, because if the video is off, that means they're playing a game. Because वो दो चीज साथ नहीं होती in iPad.
तो बच्चों और बड़ों में आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगा? बच्चों को ज्यादा इजी लगा हैंडल करना या बड़े क्लासेस को?
Kids definitely more involved, because what we made the lessons interesting as well. So there was a requirement of the teachers, okay, show them a little video, involve all the senses, show them a little video. Or also, like, for example, the teachers did a lot of unique things also, like something like a webinar at Cambridge, taught us. It's like a scavenger hunt, just to break state. Okay, if you are studying, for example, seeds, or if you're studying plants, go outside, get a flower, so that makes the child move and come back. So, for the little ones. But for the older ones, to get them in class and then to make them, it is very challenging. And I myself am a literature teacher. It's just, and because you can see, because they're like this and they think we can't. So, I'll show you how they are. I am looking at my phone, I'm like, so then I have to request the parents, please take their phone, so then that's the parents. And हम फीस क्यों दें? हम तो बेबी सिट भी बच्चों को हम कर रहे हैं.
That's an interesting finding, क्योंकि I thought कि छोटे बच्चे को मैनेज करना ज्यादा मुश्किल होगा उसमें. But Amber, after my discussion with so many teachers, I can tell that your school, definitely your teachers work really hard to keep the kids involved. And in the end, I think it's just the approach of teaching that matters, that keeps the kids involved. Otherwise, ज़्यादातर schools में आप ये complaint सुनते हैं कि छोटे बच्चे जो हैं वो they cannot sit in front of the computer for long, और बड़े बच्चे जो हैं they can manage it. So it's definitely different for your school. तो overall number, हाँ, overall जो है वो आप what do you think we have learned from this whole episode? As a teacher, as a parent, what do you think we have learned from this? The positives and the negatives, both, if you can give some.
So the positives, I think that we have learned from this. I hope that we have learned that there is no situation that you cannot pull out of. It's just, and so even in like when situation आपकी जब change नहीं हो सकती ना, when you can't change the situation, you have to change your meaning of the situation. For example, none of us can change it, but two people might have very different attitude towards. But if you can't change the event, better change yourself, because if you don't change yourself, you will just end up depressed, or you will end up having no. I tell you a very interesting experiment they had done. They went to a restaurant and just randomly जाके किसी को एक थप्पड़ मार दिया. So within that, they had people reacting very differently. For example, you yourself, if depending on how you're feeling about yourself, one day if somebody just passes you by and then they don't look at you or they don't say hi. So if you're feeling bad about yourself, you'll be like, oh my God, this is such a horrible person. Or you'll be like, what wrong did I do? What did I do wrong? Did I hurt her? Or someone could say, oh, she's so horrible. Or you could say, oh, I wonder why she didn't see me. Or I wonder, is she having a bad day? situation is the same. Your meaning, interpretation, you have to change.
Actions all are different.
Yes. क्योंकि चीज आपको no one can change COVID. How you deal with it is the only power you have. You are the only power you have, right?
So I understand that you can, you're taking it very positively, basically. That's how your school has turned it around, right? In the positive direction. So,
कोई भी नहीं कर सकता, क्या कर सकते हैं? Nobody can do anything, you know, until vaccine comes. And if you want to get vaccinated and you are just powerless. So
it's just basically a challenge only. You should always take it as a challenge instead of taking it in a negative sense. Yeah. You know, we do have learned a lot, especially in the education sector. We do have learned a lot from this experiment. So do you think in future your school will be opting for, you know, more, what can I say, more tech-based projects? No, I mean, even after the physical classes start, do you think now in this coming year, you'll be taking a more blended approach, you know, just to be prepared in future?
So we'll continue with our Edmodo. You know, for the homework, the children can upload, the older ones especially, they upload their homework on Edmodo. Teacher uploads their lecture or what they did. Yes, so even they would, so that, you know, so it's always maintained. And I am trying also to move some of, because I have like weekly meetings with, like I have a weekly meeting with grade 1 in which I see their weekly plan, what they're going to do with grade 2. So I want to shift some of those on Zoom. I think what this has done has made us realize that we can do online. So it will, I think, give more opportunities to people who can't go out because of.
That's a great input. Thank you so much, Amber. It was very interesting, and you know, refreshing to see such a positive response to all this. You know, I was expecting कि बहुत सारी problems हम लोग discuss करेंगे, but the way you have described it, I'm sure your students are very lucky कि administration ने इतनी ज़्यादा efforts इसमें डाली हैं, वरना मतलब obviously challenges are there, but it's good to see your positive attitude. बाकी and I hope that parents have learned a lot as well, and they're gonna appreciate the teachers more now. So thank you so much. It was great having you here.
Thank you for, it was wonderful chatting to you, and you're doing a great thing. We need like educational roundups. I think you're providing such a great service. It's amazing.